This is Sacha Pradhuman of Cirrus Research. The latest issue of the Regional Outlier Report is just out. The Regional Outlier is a fundamental look at key developed markets and some emerging markets. We look at these areas in terms of earnings growth, earnings expectations, valuations, and a number of other elements. In this issue, the title is Tech Multiples Flash Concern Across Regions as Top Line Slows. I think it's not a surprise that technology stocks are expensive, but what is interesting is that we're now witnessing just about 9 out of the 10 key regions we track where we're noticing the red boxes, which signify above average multiples. Importantly, we're also witnessing earnings expectations, the markets in the red, such as US, Canada, Japan, China. Those are areas in where the expectations are especially high. This is concerning considering the top line growth of the technology sector has begun to slow. Certainly worth taking a closer look. Another area of focus in this particular issue is also Japan. In our prior global positioning report, we flagged that Japan has become a very crowded market very quickly. A lot of this has to do with the central bank's tightening that's going on there. That said, this idea that the market is now crowded in Japan, this is a telltale sign that volatility is likely to pick up and leadership stocks tend to reverse course. If we drill down a little bit finer into this basket of leadership, what we're finding is it's the exposure in 3 specific areas: consumer discretionary, technology, and healthcare. 2 areas, technology and healthcare, are notably especially expensive. So we think that if you wanted to be more surgical about risks in Japan, this may be a way to focus on that. And then finally, one constructive area that we've really been homing in on is Asia Pacific. Part of it has to do with a bottoming in the profit cycle, better earning credit comparisons. When we look specifically at consumer services, we're finding that both the top line and earnings expectations are on the mend. We think this is very constructive. The consumer area there in Asia Pacific seems to be one of the most healthiest. With any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.